Zilia Technologies has been operating in the Brazilian market for 20 years. We produce memory-integrated circuits using semiconductors with flash technology for smartphones and RAM for direct application in smart TVs. Additionally, we manufacture memory modules for computers and servers, as well as IoT connectivity modules for the Internet of Things, enabling the interconnection of digital devices and distributed systems. Thanks to the EcoCare Next Generation Service Plan, we get faster response times for both remote and on-site support. We benefit from condition-based maintenance with 24/7 remote monitoring of our electrical equipment by Schneider Electric, which helps predict potential problems. If necessary, specialists can be dispatched to our site. Schneider Electric experts perform thermal monitoring of our connected SM6 units, enhancing the efficiency and uptime of our daily operations. We can also access and verify our installed base from anywhere, at any time, through My Schneider portal. Furthermore, we benefit from augmented reality-based safety training with EcoStruxure XR Operator Advisory. For Zilia Technologies, being an EcoCare member means partnership, predictability, and trust.